Welcome. Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device with Ampere application. So first we should get the Ampere app from the Play Store. So open the Play Store here, and then in the search pool enter here the Ampere. And now we have to get this application. So tap to install, and if you and just wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing on your device. Now just open the app here and click yes, I agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. And now as can you see here, we got the temperature with our device temperature, the information with our device temperature, and in my case that's 30 and 3 degrees. And also here we got the another information about our device battery. That's the health of the battery, the level, capacity, and more other information like the Android version, model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.